Yes, sir. Woo! All right, so we met up at the diner on 84. We got the 845 MOPAR going on. We got Hellcats, SRTs, you know, 392s. We got everything in here. We're gonna meet up with everybody else at point A. But yeah, we're gonna be heading to Connecticut. We're all gonna be cruising. Look at that, man. That boy dangerous. That girl dangerous. That girl is a bad girl. I think he has a 360 camera right there, you feel me? This lineup goes stupid. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This lineup goes stupid. We lit. Oh, we lit. I'm too excited, bro. I'm too excited. This goes stupid. Woo! Ain't nobody care about gate. MOPAR's here, baby. I just got this car, you know, less than a month ago. Next thing you know, I'm at 845 MOPAR. Like, I joined a MOPAR gang. Like, you know how lit that is? I joined, like, you know, something I always wanted to be in, a car crew. Is that a Porsche? It is a Porsche. Look at that Porsche. Yes, sir. That's fire. I don't care about my ex. What you talking about? X alert. Okay. Yeah, so we here at the parking lot. Everybody's parking or circling around. Know what I'm talking about right there? We got all the bad boys out, you feel me?
We parking? I feel like I'm playing musical chairs.
What, he got Diablo tuning? Oh, he just put Diablo. His airbag that I think.
Hell.
Diablo, Scat Pack, and
Whoa. The size of that fucking sauce.
Jesus. Wow.
I'm telling you, man, I gotta bag the cars. I gotta bag the 996.
That would be so lit.
I didn't make it.
I'd slam it.
Man, wait till I get a V8. Once I get a V8, it's lit.
I tried to duck, but that made no sense.
This is my son Jesse right here. He got new rims. I don't remember him having it blue before. It's the Hellcat. Oh, look at the halo lights. Ooh. Ooh, Dom, look, Hellcat Challenger. How about that?
I just want to like have someone pop the hood on. I just want to see the supercharger.
Well, we could ask. It's fire. Scat Pack. This go hard.
So many Hellcats.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
There's a lot more than
Yo, this look like a cop car from far away.
yeah, bro, you got the donut wheels. You got the donut rims.
He got the lights for it too.
Yeah.
I think I seen
he's
him.
a fire department guy.
Oh, where?
No, I didn't.
Shaker.
Hey, Scotty. Good, how are you?
Good to see you again.
You too.
Wow.
Challenger.
Oh my God.
I like that red inside. Adds a little pop in the lights. 392. Scat Pack.
Yeah.
Look how hard. Oh, this is nice. What the hell? Yeah, this is fire. Carbon fiber, man. Heard it. Is that GT too? What's this?
Yo, you remember that movie The Punisher?
I'll go hard.
One of these. I think next year I'm gonna end up going for it.
Oh, nice and warm.
It's dirty as hell right now.
Yeah, carbon fiber. Heard it.
How's it
Yeah, I
ride?
love.
Look at these rims. Oh my god, these go stupid.
It's a red eye, right?
Man,
It's straight up.
see that?
Yeah, that's badass.
What the hell is that coming from?
I don't know, man. That looks dope. Yeah.
CT Hellcat, that's in my Instagram right now.
But this thing back here, bro, this is so fire.
Woo! Oh, he got audio with it, so he be recording.
Dude, I got
Yeah, it's go. Huh? Oh, that go hard too.
Let me see. I have never seen a Chrysler like this.
Yeah, I used to have one of these, man. These low-key zoom. I had the Chrysler 300.
It literally got spaces on it. It's like
This Durango go hard. Look, I see the code on it. Oh, make a Mustang. Yo, this Hellcat right here, man.
I love raps like this.
Yeah, this go stupid.
Bro, I gotta find that.
Let's go hard. Is this the wide body? Yeah, Hellcat. Yep. Yeah, this go dumb.
I like how you got the GoPro on your- I was like, so you were riding with that on your head while you were driving?
Yeah, I was trying to change the battery while I was driving it hard, man. I gotta unscrew it, take it off, everything. I'm like, damn, we keep going. I'm like,
You picked a hell of a meet for your first meet to come out.
yeah, man. Damn. Yeah, this go hard. Got the net on it. All right. Yeah, he's go hard. This Mustang type fire. My son got the Batman. Heard it. 845 MOPARs, baby. What's going on?
What a fucking turnout, huh?
What's going on? This is
There's
lit.
gotta be like 70, 80 cars here.
Yeah, this is fire, bro.
It's
My
crazy.
first
That
car
was a fun
meet.
ride, right?
Yeah. Bro, when we started merging onto that,
You were like, yo, we started.
bro, I was literally, bro, on my camera, I'm like, yo, this is lit. Yo, bro, this is so fire, bro. I never seen something like this, bro.
We were passing a diner. I was like, "Oh, we passing a diner," and I looked ahead and at the entrance, like,
We,
oh,
we
everybody's
literally
getting off.
merged with you guys and floored it.
It was like the perfect time.
Yo, there's a lot of good shows in Long Island.
Yeah. Man, damn.
What's going on? Oh, thanks, buddy.
I think this is the guy that we was just talking to over there, down there. This is Rox. The guy we was over there with too as well. Yeah, this go hard. I like this. I like the front grill right here. I go crazy. Oh, this goes stupid. Yes, sir. Got that Challenger right there too. Oh, we got that Hellcat going. Okay. Okay, we got another Hellcat. Too many photo shoots I'm about to do. Yeah, this go dummy. Oh my God, look at this Hellraiser, baby. Yeah. Let's go dummy. Shout out right here. Yes, sir. Yeah, this going dummy. 845 MOPAR. Oh, snap. That's fire. That's nice. Got ran, baby. Yeah, I seen this. I think I talked to him before. I seen it on Instagram or whatever. I mean, Facebook. This truck go crazy. This boy huge. No homo.
Thing handles.
That's disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting.
All that E-Ball?
800 plus horsepower in this. Jeez. Wow. Oh my God. Jeez, man. This one got that logo on top. All right, so my camera is gonna die soon again, but we all about to go to do a photo shoot. So we all getting our cars and such. We got everybody here, you know what I mean? Let me hear something. Let me hear something. Yes, sir. My son Dom. You got the Hellcat right there. Yes, sir. Woo! Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. It's going crazy. Going crazy. We about to hit this photo shoot, man. We going crazy. Woo! Let me hear something. Yeah. Uh-huh. Heard. We out. We out. Time. Yes, sir. Let me hear something. Yeah, it's on talk about. It's on talk about. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Woo! Jesus. Look at everybody over here, man. Oh my God. Woo! A bunch of photo shoots here. We got a lot of things going on. Look at this. This goes hard. I put my car in the middle. We took some shots. That was sick. We got the ops here, of course, 2 ops, but we chilling. We chilling. Car go hard. Y'all know the vibes. Lit MOPAR me and Dom. This was dummy fire. Like, I'm so glad I came out here, and I'm so glad I got invited to 845 MOPAR. Shout out to 845 MOPAR, man. Damn. How you think about the car meet so far? Our first MOPAR.
It's fun, man. I'm glad to be in a group.
Nah, that's facts. Never been in a crew, none of that, bro. And my vlog, you guys saw my vlog and Fish Kill Meat, part 1. When I was like, man, I'm gonna get a charger, or you know what I mean? I'm gonna get one of these one day. Look, I got a charger in less than a month. It's like, damn.
Told the challenge. I told you with the challenge.
Yeah, my son got the wide body 392 Challenger. Like, damn, bro.
Hellcat's next year. I just have to. Like, that's my journey.
392, baby, incoming. Like, bro. Took some fire pictures. I put my car in the middle and had all like the white scat packs, Hellcats, and all that behind me. It was a fire pic. It's a red eye. What's up? I'm about to go back home, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here. So if you enjoy this, of course, like my content, subscribe. You already know the vibes. And many more videos is coming. Right, Dom? Many more videos are coming. Many more videos. Yeah, bro, we getting these Hellcats, I promise you. Like I said in my video, when I said I wanted to get a charger, I got the charger. When he said he wanted to get a Challenger, he got the Challenger. So we getting these Hellcats soon, I'm telling you, man. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.